Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Interactive Brokers for Wise Funding, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Interactive Brokers for Wise Funding, start by visiting the Interactive Brokers website. Click on the Open Account button located on the home page. Select individual or institutional based on your needs. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure username and password for your account. Next, verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Once verified, log in to your new Interactive Brokers account. Complete the account application by providing additional information such as your address and date of birth. You will need to provide information regarding your financial status and trading experience. Review the terms and conditions, then proceed to accept them. After submitting your application, wait for an email from Interactive Brokers confirming your account setup. Once confirmed, log in to your Interactive Brokers account. In the account dashboard, locate the funding options. Choose the Funding tab to view your funding methods. To use Wise, click on Add New Bank Account. Enter the bank account details provided by Wise. Verify your bank account to link it with your Interactive Brokers account. After linking, return to the funding options. Select Transfer Funds to initiate a transfer from your Wise account. Choose your Wise account as the funding source and specify the amount to fund. Confirm the transaction and follow any additional prompts on the screen. Monitor your account for the deposit to reflect. Once the funds are available, you can start trading with Interactive Brokers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.